Welcome to Frywall Fridays. Today we're making one of the most interesting recipes we've ever made, and it involves not much more than this, half a cabbage. The recipe comes to us from Bon Appetit, but it originates with a really interesting chef named Christian Puglisi. This recipe isn't the easiest in the world, and you'll have to do some techniques that may seem really counterintuitive, but stick with it and you'll have one of the most interesting appetizers you've ever come across. You're gonna make yourself proud and you're gonna wow anyone who's coming over for dinner. Let's get started. In addition to our half cabbage, we have high temperature oil, grapeseed in this case. We have half a stick of butter. We have some basil leaves, and we have a vinegar that is funky and a little bit sweet. We're using rice vinegar today. You can also use apple cider vinegar. I would say stay away from either wine vinegar or balsamic. Neither is quite funky enough. We have some salt, and then we have dulse, which is a kind of seaweed. You can also use kombu. If you have neither dulse nor kombu, that's okay. The recipe will still be fantastic without either of those. My pan is heated up. I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of high temperature oil and then just put the cabbage face down right on top. I'm going to let this go for about 10 or 15 minutes till it's really blackened on the bottom. As you can see, this thing is really splattering. A lot of the splatter will go over the frywall. There's just no way of avoiding it. Believe me though, you don't want to do this without a frywall or you will have a mess all over the place. This has been going for about 13 minutes on medium high, and you can see it looks almost burnt, maybe slightly burnt on the bottom. That is perfect. It shouldn't be just slightly brown, it should be kind of black. I'm going to lower the heat at this point to medium low and add a half a stick of butter. I'm going to move that around so it doesn't burn too quickly. And then once the butter is melted, I'm going to start basting the cabbage with that melted butter. I'm going to do this for about 10 minutes. It's going to help cook the cabbage on the outside and just continue to build the flavor. I've been basting more or less continuously now for 10 minutes. You can see that the outside of the cabbage has started to turn a darker green as it cooks. And at this point, I'm going to lower the temperature to low and securely cover the lid. This is really critical because unless you do this step, your cabbage is going to be raw. We're going to need to cook it this way for about 10 minutes. So it's been about 7 minutes now. I'm just going to test the cabbage for doneness. The skewer here is going in not very easily. I don't want the cabbage to be soft, but I don't want it to be squeaky raw either. I'm going to give this a few more minutes. That feels done now. I'm going to raise the temperature to medium high and add a large teaspoon of dulse. And now just baste it a few more times with that hot butter combined with the dulse, and we're going to be done. All right, let's get this dressed and plated. This is still sizzling hot. Wow, that's really beautiful. It's amazing how far you can take the butter here. Wow, look at that. It looks burned, but it is not. It is beautifully, beautifully cooked. So at this point, we're just going to cut it in two and do the final dressing. You find the core right there. And the inside is cooked, just kind of soft to the touch, but not quite fork tender. Let's get here on a plate. The last little bit is putting basil leaves here between the sections. We're going to use just a small handful of basil leaves, just like that. And the final touch will just be some salt on top and a drizzle of vinegar. Now, I know you're asking what you're thinking. How do I eat this? Well, as soon as the cameras turn off, Mike and I are just going to attack this and devour it. But is it an appetizer? Is it a main course? Is it a side dish? I have no idea, but it is really delicious. And if you make it, you will be really happy. Enjoy.